Pooja and welcome to Food Without Borders. Today I'm going to show you how to put together a lettuce wrap. Now lettuce wrap has gained a lot of popularity because of the restaurants that serve it, but the lettuce wrap that I am making is kind of different because I am combining the Thai red curry flavors into a lettuce wrap, and this is so yummy. So let's get started. So folks, here I have a pan heating up on medium high, and into this I have added some coconut oil. Now you could use any other odorless oil. I am going to be using coconut milk in this recipe, so I thought, I could use coconut oil, and this is extra virgin coconut oil that can be used only for cooking. And I am going to wait until all the coconut oil melts. The coconut oil has melted. Into this I am going to add the Thai curry paste. Now about the Thai curry paste, I sometimes believe that making things at home are better, but with this particular Thai curry paste, when I buy all those ingredients, bring them home, make my Thai curry paste, there's only a limited shelf life to it, and I spend a lot of money and most of the ingredients go to waste. So I grab my Thai curry paste from a little jar that can be found in any supermarket today, and if you have a Thai curry paste that you would like to use, go for it. Another tip is, do not wait until the oil is hot, because if the oil gets really hot, when you add the Thai curry paste, it will splatter, and when the Thai curry paste splatters, it makes a lot of mess, and then there's a lot of mess to clean up. So make sure of that. I'm going to just saute this Thai curry paste for just about a minute, and to this I will add the chicken. This is ground chicken. You could use any kind of meat that you wish to use. You could use pork, you could use beef. Also, this is chicken thighs. I just feel like chicken thigh retains the moisture way better than chicken breast. Chicken breast can dry out easily, so if you can find chicken thighs ground, that would be a great idea. So what I'm doing here is I am incorporating the Thai curry paste and the chicken. I'm going to cook this chicken for about 10 to 12 minutes, and if you feel like your chicken is sticking to the bottom of the pan, just lower the flame and that should work. To this, I am going to add some garlic and some Thai chili or bird's eye pepper. And you can skip the bird's eye chili if you want to. I just love the flavor it brings to the recipe. It makes it very Thai. Stir this in. About the same time, I am going to also add onion and some julienne carrots. I am going to cook this until the onions turn translucent. I've also lowered the flame because the chicken is sticking to the bottom of the pan, and you can do it if you have to. I forgot to add the red chili flakes, and this is completely optional. You don't have to add this, but I love the kick that the red chili flakes brings to this recipe. I would have added it around the time that I had added the garlic and the onions, but you can add it right away. In goes that. I am also going to add the honey, and mine is a raw honey, and that's why it looks kind of solid. And half of this coconut milk. A smidge more. So the complete list of ingredients with their measurements and a detailed written recipe is on my blog, which I will post a link of in the description box. I'm going to stir this in and season it with some salt. So folks, I am going to cook this for somewhere between 5 to 7 minutes until the coconut milk evaporates. I'm going to turn off the flame because this is done. And into this, I am going to add some cilantro and the green onions. And I'm leaving a little bit of the green onion so that I can use it to garnish. Stir this in quickly because I don't want the green onion or the cilantro to cook. I am going to transfer it into this bowl. When I come back, I will show you how to put the sauce that goes with the lettuce wrap together. Welcome back, and let's put the sauce together. In this bowl, I have added some green onion, some garlic, and the Thai red curry paste. To this, I will add the peanut butter. For those of you who are allergic to peanuts, you could always use cashew butter and cashew nuts in this recipe, and that should work as well. I'm using some raw honey here. In goes the salt. And lastly, the coconut milk. I'm going to give this a good stir until everything is well combined. And this dressing can last in the refrigerator for about 6 days and outside for about 6 hours. So for those of you who love prepping their meals ahead of time, you can make the filling. It sits in the refrigerator wonderfully for about 2 to 3 days if it can last. And then this dressing can also stay in the refrigerator for about a week. And I love this dressing particularly because I also can use it on a salad if I want to. So I can cook up a steak, get some romaine, add this sauce or dressing onto the salad, and it's like a Thai curry salad dressing. This is all well combined. I'm going to taste and see if the salt is okay. Oh my. All right, I'm going to go back, clean up all this mess, and then when I come back, I am going to show you or take you through the phase 3, which is assembling the lettuce wrap. So I'll be back. All right, folks, we are back, and this is the favorite part of shooting these videos, is me showing my face with food and you watching me do that. So here I have the chicken that I transferred in the bowl. And to this, I have just sprinkled the green onions on top. I have some butter lettuce here. Now I am using butter lettuce. You could use iceberg. Just make sure you use a lettuce that can easily hold its shape. I prefer butter over iceberg because it keeps its form when you are making a wrap and it holds its shape. So that's one. I have some bean sprouts here. This is completely optional. You could use cucumbers. You could add some more carrots to the side, whatever you feel like. I have some peanuts here that have been roasted and salted. Now, if you do not wish to use peanuts or you have allergies, you can always use cashews. I have our dressing or the sauce that we made, and I have some lime because lime brings so much flavor to this recipe. I am going to put the lime on the board here, and this is just a chopping board that I'm using to configure this whole thing. And you can put these in little bowls and serve it on the chopping board, and it could be such a beautiful elaborate spread. Now let me grab this teeniest little butter lettuce here, add the chicken. I'm a filling kind of girl, less vegetables, more meat. To this I am going to add the sauce, top it with of that bean sprouts and some peanuts right here. Bring it to this plate. There is so much complexities of flavors. It's sweet, it's sour, it's spicy, and it really hits all the flavor palettes of your mouth, like your receptors on your tongue. It hits all the receptors on your tongue. So give this recipe a try. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because I really enjoy making these videos, and show me that you validate what I do. And I will leave a written version of this recipe in the description box, and I will see you next week. Bye.